Lane says? Lane only tells that contribution in computing the creep length by the horizontal surfaces is not that much as taken by the Bly. Lane says the contribution by horizontal surfaces is very less. How much less? 1/3. So 1/3 of H plus V, all the vertical surfaces creep length, that is equal to the total creep length. So it means by the Lane theory. So if we are using Lane theory, so how we can compute the uplift pressure head or uplift pressure? According to Lane theory, the equation will remain same. We have to compute head loss at that point. And how we have to compute head loss? The creep length up to that point divided by the total creep length into the capital H. So only difference in the Lane theory, how to compute the creep length. So we have not to consider much to the horizontal lengths. Horizontal lengths would be divided by 3. And then verticals would be added. So if you have computed head loss up to any point, then how we can compute the uplift or residual pressure head up to that point? The capital H, that is simply equal to capital H minus head loss. Now, how to check a hydraulic structure for mining, undermining, or piping? That is it safe or not safe? The criteria is very similar as given by the Bly, that the hydraulic gradient in the actual structure should be less than safe hydraulic gradient prescribed by the Lane. So these subscripts L, they represent the Lane. So Lane has given different values for the for his coefficient CL. All right. And also Lane has given a different creep length concept. So according to him, the horizontal creep length does not matter much. Horizontal floor length. So according to creep, according to Lane theory, if any hydraulic structure is failing in the undermining or piping, what is a better solution? क्या करें?
Sir, we can provide more vertical cutoffs, more vertical sections, so that
yes. So we have to increase this total creep length.
Yes, sir.
And how we can increase this total creep length? Not by increasing the horizontal surfaces, by increasing the vertical lengths of the sheet piles. Maybe introduce more sheet pile or go length of the sheet pile should be deeper. So this is the main difference between the Bly's theory and the Lane theory concepts of the creep theory.